Frontiers was the first publisher to have an auditing team, so we're kind of trailblazers in that respect.
My name's Evie.
I'm Marina.
So I'm Maria Kowalczuk.
My name's Katrina. I've been in the auditing team since it started in 2022.
The auditing team is focused on finding patterns, so we intervene when a pattern is noticed.
We were the first publisher to say it's not enough to look at the individual manuscript. In the current research integrity climate, you have to look at the bigger picture.
So our audits will include trawling through a lot of data. I try to use technology, so for example front-end GPT, to learn ways that I can synthesize that data. So I don't use technology to make any decisions for me, but generally I will use it to make the data more manageable, which then means that we can be more proactive and kind of take on more investigations.
So I had an investigation which was originally 3 separate investigations between myself and 2 of my team members. And we were uncovering what we thought were separate groups. And through one-to-ones, I was able to find from my team that the same names were coming up. And it was at that point that I kind of clicked that I had the same people in my investigation as well. And we were able to just combine everything that we had. And it was like this giant puzzle coming together.
Yeah, you could say that we are a bit of a science detectives.
I think the obvious answer is Sherlock Holmes, isn't it?
I was given a bit of a fun award at the end of one year that I was the Sherlock Holmes of the peer review team.
When you were asking that question, I was like, do not say Sherlock, you have to pick someone else. There's a Scottish crime series which has got a character called Rebus in it. I think he deals with murder, which I'm hopeful I'll never have to deal with.
Sherlock Holmes?
So we also spend a fair amount of time educating researchers, explaining our policies, explaining our expectations and standards.
We did the largest number of retractions that Frontiers has ever published in one go, and we had a lot of really strong interest from other publishers about what our strategy was for that, what our methodology was for the investigation. And I think that's the beginning of us pushing that forward more. We've created auditing as a role, so now we can start telling people, like, what do we do?
I guess it would have to be paper mills.
Paper mills.
Paper mills.
Paper mills, paper mills, paper mills.
Paper mills want to target publishers with their own networks of editors and reviewers and authors so that they can publish fraudulent science. And when you have a whole group of people working together, you need a whole group of people working against them as well.
I think the auditing team is really important for building trust in science because we're taking decisive actions against things like peer review fraud.
We want to make sure that we publish high quality science, sound science that can really inform policy.
We've managed to gather a very comprehensive understanding of red flags and red patterns. We make sure to translate that into actionable items. So that translates into better quality and more reliable output for Frontiers.